are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Okay guys, let me tell you how this video came to be. I'd like to give you a little backstory. So I was going through some recipe videos and I saw a lazy man's ranch. Super easy. Literally, I guess my algorithm got changed. So I started seeing more sauces and more ranches and all that. So I saw two that I liked. They're both lazy. They're both simple. We're going to do them both. We're going to tell you which one's better. All right? So come on in close and I'll show you the first one. This is Lazy Man's Ranch number 1. Okay, so for this rundown, you're going to start over here. This is a jar of sliced jalapenos in vinegar. You've seen these at the store. We're going to use the juice in it. Got 1 ranch packet. You got yogurt. Here's a big thing of cottage cheese. Here's some dill. And then we got the 2 jars over here for both our Lazy Man ranches. You're going to start with the cottage cheese. So let's get that in there. There we go. All right. Take some of the juice from the jalapenos. Drop that in there. By the way, I'm going to predict that juice makes it the winner, but I'm just doing a prediction. All right. You're going to take some yogurt, get that in there. Recipes down at the bottom. Don't forget the seasoning packet. Get that poured in there. Don't forget. So I'm using some dill. I don't care about the stem. It's all going to blend up. It's going to be beautiful. Get some dill in there. Give that a good blend. All right, let's now pour it into this. All right, there you go. Lazy Man's Ranch number 1. We're going to try this out, but we'll let it chill first for a couple hours in the refrigerator. All right, let's get started on the next Lazy Man's Ranch. It's going to be cottage cheese, mayo, the ranch seasoning packet, and lemon juice. Okay, they've been chilling all night. So, just so you believe me, I have Tammy's going to try it with me. So this is 1. This is the first one we did.
And what does that have in it?
Don't worry about
You're
it.
not gonna tell me.
No. Why would I tell her? But I'll give you both recipes and I'll denote which one's the winner. Okay.
Okay.
It's tangy.
Mm-hmm. It's good though. And I'm
I
not
could-
a ranch person.
I can put that on a salad.
Yeah, I'm not a ranch person. I like that. So
All right, try that one.
I just gotta get my palate completely cleared. There we go. See, there's nothing. Both kind of thick, which is nice. Better than normal ranch. See?
Okay, let me try that one.
They both are good, but that one is more ranchy.
That one's closer.
Yeah.
Number 2.
They're
Okay,
both
guys.
good, but that one, yeah, definitely.
So that's the winner.
Yeah.
Number 2 is the winner. I got the winner and I got the challenger down below. All right. That's it. We're going to keep it going. More Lazy Man videos coming your way.
Bye-bye.